I think sometimes people don't realise how interesting their lives are and what wonderful things they have to say until they write them down and tell somebody else and get a reaction. Brilliant. Just you need to put that down. So a lot of things I've been doing here in the last week have just been watching other people realise that they have something to say, they have something to contribute.
Yeah. You say that. Wait. You say that.
Jeans.
Not
The library is full of books, and their writing, their story could be a book that will find itself into a library. So I think that's encouragement for them as well.
I think it's the best place for children to share stories. You get lots of inspiration from, just being in that physical building itself, and to see all the books and to see other people enjoying reading books.
My absolute favourite was, I came in and said, I'm not doing any writing, I'm not interested in writing. And at the end of it, he just came up with some wonderful things. And how much you enjoyed the activities today. Really fantastic, thank you.